Hello, everyone. Welcome to this year's Domino Drop for Ends 68 Hours of Hunger. I want to thank all of you who contributed this year to donate mac and cheese boxes to those folks who need it. We appreciate it. Every year this is going to get bigger. Next year, hopefully, maybe we'll go all the way around the top floor and down. We'll start in front of the library and come down if we can get more next year. This is great. Thank you so much for your generosity. All right, I think we're about ready to start. So on the count of 3, we're going to get ready and start it. So are we ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Thank you for your generosity. Thank you to National Honor Society. We appreciate it. Have a happy Thanksgiving, everybody.